Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best teeth scrapers is probably one of the most effective and underutilized tools for achieving optimal oral hygiene. In this video, we will explore the top-rated teeth scrapers available on the market, comparing their designs, materials, effectiveness in plaque removal, ease of use, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect tool to complement your oral care routine and keep your smile healthy and bright. Number 5. G.CATACC Dental Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for thorough dental cleaning and oral care, providing everything you need for a healthy smile. It includes 6 high-quality tools, scrapers, a mirror, and tweezers, all designed for precision cleaning and plaque removal. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. The smooth, easy-to-clean design ensures long-term use and hygiene. Its sharp, yet protected tips, effectively remove tartar and reach tight spaces, leaving you with cleaner teeth and fresher breath. The included protective case keeps your tools organized and safe, perfect for travel or storage. Whether you're a dentist, adult, child, or even pet owner, this versatile kit is perfect for maintaining optimal oral hygiene. This kit is a worthwhile investment in your long-term oral health. Enjoy a confident, healthy smile for years to come. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for thorough cleaning. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. The convenient case makes it perfect for travel or storage. If you value a complete, portable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The dental picks are incredibly effective at removing food particles from between my teeth, reaching areas that my toothbrush can't. The set includes a variety of picks with different sizes and shapes, allowing me to easily access and clean all areas of my mouth. Great for home use. Very similar to what I've seen at dentists' offices. I use this once a week and it helps. I also get a lot of compliments at my dentist office when I go for my cleaning. They say I barely have any build-up. It works great. Number 4. DenTek Advanced Clean Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a professional clean feeling at home. It's portable and perfect for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. It helps you fight bad breath and whiten your teeth, leaving you with a confident smile. It's easy to use and fits into your daily routine. The hard plastic scaler is designed for daily use to remove plaque buildup gently and effectively. Use it to maintain fresh breath and healthy gums. For a deeper clean, use the medical-grade stainless steel pick and scaler once a week. They remove stubborn plaque, tartar, and trapped food particles. The fog-free dental mirror lets you see all those hard-to-reach areas for a thorough cleaning. No more missed spots. The gum stimulator gently massages and stimulates your gums, promoting healthy tissue and improving circulation. It's a key part of complete oral care. What we like. This kit offers a variety of tools to address different cleaning needs. The mirror helps you see hard-to-reach areas. The stimulator promotes gum health. If you need versatility and precision, this is your best bet. What people say. The application process is straightforward and user-friendly. The kit includes swabs pre-filled with the pain relief liquid, allowing for precise application directly to the affected area. As soon as I applied the treatment, I felt an almost immediate numbing sensation that significantly reduced the discomfort from my toothache. The relief was substantial, enabling me to go about my day without being constantly distracted by pain. The pain reliever is great, but the best point of this kit is the curved pick holder, which makes it very easy to apply the ointment. Number 3. Dental Scraper Tool. It's great for removing stains, tartar, and debris from your teeth and gums. Regular use helps reduce bad breath and even keeps your pets' mouths clean and fresh. Made from 100% high-purity medical stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, durable, and safe. The double-ended design offers 2 different head shapes to suit your needs. Simply wipe the blade after each use. It effortlessly removes food residue without hurting your teeth or enamel. Its small size makes it perfect for travel. Keep it with you to maintain fresh breath wherever you go. Using it is quick and easy. Just wipe the edges after each use to remove any debris from your teeth and gums. What we like. This tool's dual-ended design provides versatility for various cleaning tasks. Made from high-quality medical-grade steel, it's durable and safe. Its simple design makes it easy to use effectively. If you prioritize simplicity and quality, this is a great choice. What people say. Removes plaque buildup. Easy to use. Great quality. I bought this to reduce the plaque buildup between dentist visits. It works well so far. I have put it in the dishwasher and it came out fine. I knew I wanted to remove some tartar at the back of my teeth, and I kept wishing for one of these. Then I bought one and it is just as effective as I had hoped. It doesn't replace the dentist but is a great stopgap for that clean tooth feeling. Number 2. Dental Hygiene Tool Set. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for thorough oral hygiene. It's perfect for both people and pets. The tools are crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. They're built to withstand daily use. The precision pick and tweezers help remove trapped food particles and plaque with ease. Maintain healthy gums and teeth with these essential tools. This set also includes floss to reach those hard-to-clean areas between your teeth. It helps prevent gum disease and cavities. Effectively remove plaque and tartar buildup with the included scraper. It's a simple way to maintain healthy gums and a bright smile. This versatile set is suitable for both human and pet oral care. Keep your whole family smiles healthy and bright. You get everything you need in one convenient set. It's a cost-effective solution for comprehensive oral hygiene. What we like. This kit provides a range of tools for comprehensive cleaning. It's suitable for both human and pet use. The multiple tools allow for targeted cleaning. If you need a versatile kit for multiple users, this is a smart choice. What people say. It's easy to use, performs as advertised, and meets expectations. This set is a quality set for price. Comes in a storage pouch. The square-looking one in particular has been helpful in getting built-up tartar out from in between my bottom middle teeth. I like having the mirror too. Number 1. LIVFRESH Toothpaste. It's clinically proven to remove plaque 250% better than other leading brands. Plus, it improves gum health by 190%, significantly reducing the risk of gum disease. The formula is backed by 26 research studies and over 40 patents. Years of research and development by leading scientists went into creating this toothpaste. Its unique gel formula breaks the bond between plaque and your teeth. This provides a deep clean, even in hard-to-reach areas. Thousands of dental professionals, including former presidents of major dental associations, use and recommend it. It's supported by leading universities and institutions. It's proudly made in America with 100% edible ingredients and is free of harsh chemicals like SLS, parabens, and sulfates. It's safe for everyone to use. By improving your oral health, it can help you avoid costly dental procedures in the long run. It's an investment in your overall well-being. What we like. This toothpaste is clinically proven to significantly improve plaque removal and gum health. It effectively reduces tartar buildup. If you're looking for a clinically proven solution for better oral hygiene, this is the way to go. What people say. It cleans teeth, improves gum health and breaks up plaque. I've had some tartar buildup just break off after brushing. This makes my teeth feel like they were just polished and I do not need to use much product so it lasts a long time. Made a difference on first use. Those really hard spots to get, this helped me big time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.